Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Bluetooth connection failed on your Volkswagen. This solution will work for the Volkswagen Golf, Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Polo, Touareg, Passat, and the Volkswagen Touareg. So first of all, just go to your navigation screen in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So basically guys, once you're here, make sure you're here in the home section or click on the menu button to be in the home section. Once you're here, go to the settings app, give it a click. And then once you're here, you're gonna find all of your settings. So once you're here in the settings, go ahead and scroll down until you find Bluetooth. Give it a click, and then here you're gonna find all of your Bluetooth settings. Make sure that the Bluetooth is on firstly, and that you have the visibility on visible. Then here in the bottom you're gonna find paired devices and find devices. So one of the reasons why your Bluetooth connection is failed, maybe because you have too much devices, the maximum devices. So click on paired devices and try to remove a paired device by clicking on delete button and then confirm deleting, and try adding again your device and it should be added. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.